Is in the air, but so was the dust, wind, and some rain on this Valentine's Day. News Channel 3's Samantha Lomibao joins us live from El Paseo in Palm Desert, where the weather impacted some restaurants on one of their busiest nights of the year. Sam.
Karen, that wind has died down, fortunately, but we saw those wind gusts all throughout the day and even a little Valentine's Day surprise with some rain, especially right here on El Paseo, where restaurants like the one behind me were forced to adapt to that winter weather. But fortunately, that rain did not put a damper on any dinner plans. Gusty winds and blowing trees as gray clouds loomed over El Paseo. Restaurants braced for the winter weather by closing up outdoor seating as people opted to eat inside for their Valentine's Day dinners.
I mean, just taking advantage of the weather and the sunshine, but not today.
Visiting from Washington, D.C., Bonnie and Tom Miller tell me they saw the brunt of the winds firsthand.
It was as bad as I've seen. There was a lot of sand that was kicked up.
But they tell me the gusty weather wouldn't stop them from enjoying the night together.
It's no big deal. You know, we'll have a nice dinner inside. We like this restaurant a lot, and we've been here before, and so we're cool.
But it wasn't just gusty winds. The weather took a big turn when rain started to come down, forcing restaurants like Pacifica to shift operations on one of their busiest nights.
We did have to close our outside patio on the backside. We don't want tables, patio chairs, linen flying everywhere. It's a precaution just for people's safety.
Bartender Ivan Murray tells me they welcomed a full house with around 500 reservations, but says even the rain couldn't put a damper on their accommodations for the night.
Actually, it didn't change the reservations quite as much as we thought, but we're able to accommodate everybody that had reservations. Which is great.
Now, fortunately, that rain has dwindled down, but if you are still out for those Valentine's Day celebrations, be sure not to drink and drive, opt for those Ubers, Lyft rides, taxi rides, and to slow down on the roads if you are driving. Live in Palm Desert, Samantha Lomibao, News Channel 3.